Sahojka Susie Harjo to wear. Gale up to wear, move. Yeah. A bogia. One and gay. Upside. Ceremonial women. Sokabo hoyen. As all as that up. Manaboga up one. Had you ladies up to wear? Had she never been meant with that? As all as he long. He had argued. Solicit lady much. Ma. Because folk must have handled that. Just with it, I'm an eye. He had argued that. He died over to be Panagre, Akupanagre, Humbagre, to wait a book of Gidaya, a book to my nuts. As well as that, he lives for Hanum Wat. State, a luxury yacht back on what. He lives for you like that. We all got. I knew what that. She be good away. Mauka, as well as that song could be so. Ponagada now, song the Bahamas stone. Yenisa Lagaya, I guess first I am. Sit. He lists the lie out of that. Sit. He little the lot, woman. Sapata, Amonaga. Nissa Alagahani do. Ponaga song the Bahe. Sit Yahoo. Tis out with that. And I guess it's more to pull out of the one cat. Hanyawata. Nissa Alagahe. Steps must go hoy to go. Above the head. Manessa Alacto. Always. Now, above the art. The Shigi, Limbonagi, Dinya Hagi, the Hagadam of what you do. But all of that. Has also passed a history lecture in a lot. Nakilagan, Simalagasi. And it's that a lot of what. It's foggy away. On my mouth, a big no lot. For folks got that. A bogia. Manetta a lagito. That's another thing for that. I just say that I'm an eye. I'm a delegate, I'm an eye. Yeah, you can lay that. Or you got bit that. Something about it. But one night I got said, I'll be that, I'll be a good boy. I knew what, handed the law of that Tallahassee so. One dog was a book of it. State, the luck it was. Ma hooked my that. And it's all the good so. My name is Susie Simpson Harjo. I'm a K-Lazy tribal ceremonial band. I was just talking about what my elders used to tell us when we were children. Adults didn't talk to us directly, they spoke to us indirectly through our elders, through our relatives. Oak Tribe's somewhere is just about 2 miles south of Hannah. The fire has never been put down. It still burns today. Oak Tribe has many members that are still struggling today to learn their inheritance. I was always taught, wherever there was a fire, you don't go down there and play. Today, even in this age, I can sit on my carport and I can hear them singing, mostly in November. But what I really enjoy about Hannah is a home base to about all of the ceremonial grounds. They came from Hannah. I just wanted to leave that with you. And before I close, I would like to tell you, the old way of counting 1 to 10, not many people know it. So I'm going to leave this with you. Hamamel hokogo ja wili hanigila hospla hatskap dipkap so love thoughts. Mado.